Impala 2-1, Savannah Control. Confirm you're airborne and proceeding northbound to GRE.
Savannah Control, Impala 2-1 airborne, climbing through 600 meters, heading 095. Fuel state full, ordnance loaded, 2 DEFA cannons, rocket pods armed. Over.
Copy that, 2-1. Intelligence reports Cuban Mi-24 Crocodiles operating near the Lomba River. They're escorting Mi-8 troop transports. Your tasking is interdiction. Maintain low level at 50 meters until target acquisition. Over.
Understood. Dropping to treetop level, maintaining 50 meters altitude. Radio silence until contact. Impala 2-1 out.